Hi, I'm Nellie, and this is my 2014 Transit Connect. Hey, welcome to the van. This is Ladybug, my co-pilot. We love traveling this way because of the freedom and the adventures we get to have, but also because we're growing a small business called the Sassy Olive handmade headbands. So I sign up for these events all over the country, and I'm able to go and introduce our product to new people, and it's working to grow our business. It's really exciting, but it's a lot easier with the Zero Breeze because I can travel this way and I don't have to pay hotel costs. My van is what you would call a no build. That just means that everything in it is removable and it can turn back into a cargo van pretty easily. So I have 130 square feet of cargo space, aka living space, and the Mark III is designed to cool up to 130 square feet, so that's perfect. Really excited about that because I've had the Mark II for 3 years now, and I've insulated, and I'll show you a couple other tricks to make these more efficient, but this is like 4 times as powerful, so it's gonna be a breeze to cool my space. I know that's silly. So let me give you some tips to keep your space cool with the Zero Breeze. Number 1 is park in the shade, pretty obvious. Number 2 is insulation. This is what I used. It's 1/4 inch thick foam with adhesive. So I stuck it to wherever I could stick it. It's not completely insulated, but something is better than nothing, and it is a metal box that we are traveling in. The other thing is window coverings. So these are mine, and I have them hanging here because these are like the biggest thing in my van. So what I did is I just took Reflectix and I cut the size and shape of my window. And then on the window, as you can see, there's a little lip for where the magnets can sit. The other tip I can give you is the blackout curtain to block off the driving area of the vehicle. So there are more windows up front. Obviously, my windshield is huge, and so heat gets in even if you do have the reflectors in the window. So if you have a curtain where you can block that off, it keeps the heat up there and it's easier to cool your back living area. All right, so let's see it in action. I really like these batteries. I like that they're slim. This is a Mark II battery that I'm keeping for my laptop charging. But as you can see, I have these vented out of the side of my van. I contacted my local body shop and they did this for me. It's set up for the Mark II, which is 4-inch tubing. And I have my little plug-in for when I'm at shore power. When I do plug into shore power, I have everything set up so I don't need to unplug anything. I just plug in here and I'm charging and running the unit. Also love that you can charge and power at the same time. So I have my Mark III plugged in here, and I also have a way to charge my Mark II with the old adapters. The water tube is different. So I have a lot of slack here, which is good, and it has a water pump unlike the other one, so it's going to pump all the way out. But the reason I keep this much tube and I don't cut it, actually I already did cut it but changed my mind, is because when I want this to heat, I need to pick this up and turn it around, and so I want to keep enough so that this will allow me to flip the unit. So yeah, my hatch is usually closed, but I'll show you a little bit more about my build here. So this is my desk. This is where I work. And I can pull over if I need to send some emails. And the Zero Breeze can be pointing right at me if I'm in like a hot parking lot. This is my handy dandy string trick. So now I have cold air right on me no matter where I am. So this is my old adapter from the Mark II. I'm really thankful that I have this because I can plug in to my extension cord, shore power, and charge all 3 of my batteries. My 2 old batteries that I use for leisure batteries now, and my new Mark III battery are all plugged in, ready to go whenever I connect to shore power. Thank you so much for watching, and big shout out to the team at the Sassy Olive. You guys, we're all doing our thing and we're making it happen. I'm so proud of us. And thank you, Zero Breeze, for helping us along our way. You didn't even know it, but you were helping us with our small business. So I wish you all the best on your travels. See you down the road.